overnight funds are not designed for wealth creation. They are designed for safety, liquidity, and an intelligent short-term parking. And that's exactly why individual, corporates, and even banks use them every single day. So let us break down this for better understanding. Retail investors can find overnight funds a smarter alternative to savings or short-term FDs. So for most of us, overnight funds acts like a safer, smarter temporary home for money. Think of all the amounts that you keep aside for your EMIs, rent, bills, travel, a gift, or even a bonus you haven't decided how to use yet. If that money is sitting idle in your savings account, which gives you 2.5%, then you are losing potential returns. Short-term fixed deposit gives you around 3%. But overnight funds today give you roughly 5.5 to 5.6%. Plus, there is no lock-in, there is no penalty, and you can redeem your money the same day or the next day. So for short-term money, even if it's lying idle for a week, overnight funds are simply more efficient than savings or short FDs. There are corporate NBFCs, insurance companies, and even banks who use overnight funds as a clean, efficient parking zone for large short-term cash balances. Now, why do they do this? Because they earn higher returns than savings fund. There is a practical zero credit risk. They get same-day liquidity, and it becomes a perfect tool for daily treasury management. There is no lock-in, no penalty, and treasury terms can move crores in and out freely. So think about the kind of cash bigger corporates and larger institutes handle every month. There is quarter-end collection, there is GST payments, there is vendor payments, short-term access liquidity, clients' receivables sitting for few days. So corporates simply park crores in overnight funds for a day or two. They earn more and move the money out whenever needed. There are traders and HNIs who often sit with large amount of cash between trades or while they wait for a market opportunities. So instead of keeping this money idle in a saving account, they park it in overnight funds. It stays stable, they earn slightly more, have zero volatility, and remains fully liquid. Even settlement cash and profits can be parked safely until the next trade.